My passion is, I think as a chef, you have to have an inner passion for food to keep you engaged in that industry. There is a passion that's inside. I've taken all of those experiences, and this is why I'm a teacher now, because I enjoy helping youngsters to find their inner strength, be confident, be able to push through those barriers. And there's so many anxieties out there today that I feel the socialization around cooking and being part of a team helps with that anxiety enormously. As a personal chef, you're very much at the beck and call of your employer. So somebody will ring you up and they'll say that I need a wedding for so many people. You go around to their houses, you see what their requirements are, you go do the shopping, you do the prep, and then you sort of cook in their houses or their establishments. So it's good fun. It's very different to what I do during the day in my full-time work. You get to cook on boats, you know, like nice expensive yachts, and it's just really good fun. And like I say, it's very different to being sort of put into a box of full-time employment.